Nothing reveals details about the Ear 2 ahead of launch. Nothing is all set to unveil its third TWS, the Ear 2, on March 22nd, and the company has been dropping in teasers to keep the hype afloat. And it has now revealed a few details regarding the upcoming earbuds a few days ahead of the launch. Here's what to expect. Nothing Ear 2 confirmed details appear. In a recent Twitter thread, Nothing has revealed that the Ear 2 will come with support for the LHDC 5.0 audio codec and high-res audio streaming. The LHDC, low latency high definition, further enhances the audio quality and comes in addition to AAC and SBC codecs. The focus is on ensuring even higher audio quality with the successor of the Ear 1. It is also revealed that the Nothing Ear 2 will come with an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance. This information was shared via an interview with Forbes. Nothing's Carl Pei said that Ear 2 will use improved manufacturing techniques, which can make way for an improved IP rating. This information comes in addition to the recently leaked renders of the Nothing Ear 2. The TWS is expected to come with a semi-transparent design, much like its predecessor, except for the name of the earbuds and the changed placement of the noise-cancelling microphones. As for the specs, the earbuds are likely to come with support for 11.6mm drivers, wireless charging support, up to 36 hours of playback time, personalized active noise cancellation, and more. The price is also expected to be in the same range as the Nothing Ear 1. We shall get more confirmed details at the time of the launch, scheduled for March 22nd. So, stay tuned to this space.